Hey Donnie, this is my snowblower. I was just wondering why in the world it does this, because I don't know why, but I'll start it.
Start it, and put on the cover. Once I get it near it,
And I didn't bump any switch and it just stopped. And now nothing's messed up. See the thing's still there, the choke, the cable, it's fine on there. And I start it. And I have to really crank it up, push it all the way up. And I start it.
then it starts.
Put it down to the turtle and it just stops. So if you can help me out, that would be great.